Greetings, my name is Miguel Chacón, Executive Director of AYUDA. Welcome to AYUDA and the community of San Elizario, Texas. AYUDA was founded and organized by local community leaders of San Elizario, Texas. Situated in the heart of the colonias, AYUDA was established to enhance and improve the quality of life of the residents of San Elizario and the colonias of El Paso County. As the Executive Director of AYUDA, I am entrusted to carry forward the vision of our organization's founders. AYUDA's primary mission is to serve and provide assistance to our community in need. We achieve this through an extensive portfolio of programs and services that we offer here at AYUDA to our community, including affordable housing, public health outreach, immigration services, and social justice. During the pandemic, I realized how important the nonprofit section was, not just for our communities, but for the government itself. We served as frontline workers during vaccination campaigns. We fight to reduce the vaccination stigmas in our communities. We were also the first ones to provide direct assistance programs to our community for families that were struggling with foreclosures and evictions. Today, we must continue our diligent work to reduce the racial disparities that our communities are facing and guide them towards the creation of wealth. We believe that AYUDA's most important responsibility is to engage and connect with local, state, and federal governments to advocate, inform, and implement local and public initiatives in our communities. We achieve this through a commitment to accountability, responsibility, and transparency to all our stakeholders. My goal as an executive director is to empower and transform the communities we serve. We do this by educating, mentoring, and addressing systemic issues that hinder the prosperity of our Latino community. Furthermore, we aim to foster and provide opportunities for our own employees within our own organizations for their own personal growth. In closing, the key to our success is based on the level of trust and confidence and representation we have within our community. Our promotoras are frontline employees who work closely with the community, our community leaders who genuinely care about our community and understands our community needs. Because at the end, everyone needs a little bit of ayuda. Gracias.
Bueno, pues mi nombre es Olivia Figueroa, soy una miembro de más de 6 mujeres que fue que iniciamos este gran proyecto. Cuando este grupo de mujeres llegamos a unirnos fue por la necesidad que teníamos en nuestra comunidad, como falta de servicio de agua potable, drenaje, gas. Entonces, pues nuestros niños estaban muy pequeños y este grupo de mujeres queríamos una mejor calidad de vida para nuestras familias. En el transcurso de estas reuniones comunitarias que formamos, en el transcurso de estos tiempos fue que empezamos a buscar recursos y construimos este edificio. El edificio de este centro comunitario fue construido por nosotros, ¿verdad? Las 6 mujeres, sus familias y parte de la comunidad. Tenemos listados y testimonios de miles de personas. Son miles de personas que hemos podido ayudar en instalación de agua, instalación de fosas sépticas, reparación de viviendas, construcción de vivienda, en ayuda de recursos para que puedan ellos pagar su luz, su agua, en varios programas que hemos tenido durante estos 27 años.
Mi nombre es Maribel Espinosa, encargada del programa de asistencia de renta ERA 2, programa que empezó en abril 2023 y que sigue corriendo a la fecha, teniendo éxito en asistencia a 100 familias en lo que va del programa, 100 familias únicas y especiales con características especiales como madres solteras, personas de la tercera edad que ya no pueden trabajar, personas afectadas en su salud después de la pandemia, personas que han perdido su trabajo, también derivado de la pandemia o que les han reducido su jornada laboral. Aquí en Ayuda estamos 100% comprometidos en ayudar a nuestros aplicantes a que tengan una vivienda segura y digna.
Hello, my name is Cesar Meraz. I am program manager from Ayuda. I'm in charge of 3 programs from Housing Department. The first one is Home Program from TDACA, Texas Department of Housing and Community Affairs. This program is for low-income families with 80% annual median income. This program is for reconstruction of single family from the non-incorporated areas from El Paso, Texas. These areas are Favens, Tornillo, Clean, San Elizario, Anthony, and Canutillo. The other program is Amy Young program. This program is for safety, barrier, and removal. This program is for patients or applicants that has any mobility disability that can qualify for rehabilitation from their houses in order to improve their mobility in their houses. Lastly, I will talk about the Older Adult Home Modification Program. This program is from HUD Department. This program focuses on the fall prevention from the older adults older than 62 years old. This program is only for modifications to prevent falls from the patients inside their properties and to stay longer living there.
Hello, my name is Juan Garcia. I'm the Director of Housing and Community Services here at Ayuda. And today I'm here to talk to you about one of our best programs that we have for burial removal. And this is our HEROES program. This is a program designed and brought to us by Texas Veterans Commission. It's an accessibility program where we can go ahead and do accessibility modifications at a veteran's home. People that qualify for the program are veterans that have been either discharged due to medical conditions as well as honor leave discharge. The beauty of this program is that it doesn't only benefit the veteran himself, but it can benefit if somebody in their family has a need for any type of accessibility modification. The type of modifications that we can go ahead and provide for these homes for veterans are modifications such as ramps, winding of doors for wheelchair access, removing of bathtubs and replacing them with walk-in showers, support and security bars in the shower or in the restrooms themselves. At times, we are able to replace certain appliances such as stoves, refrigerators, water heaters, air conditioners. This is a great program, and it's being brought to veterans here in El Paso, which is the veteran capital of the U.S. Veterans that qualify, as long as they meet the initial requirements of being a veteran discharged honorably or due to medical conditions, and as long as the family household income it's at or below the 80% of the annual family income for the state of Texas, then they're able to qualify. Here at Ayuda, we pride ourselves. Sometimes our veterans, they don't know who to reach out to, and they might not have the means to be able and do these modifications themselves. So veterans are welcome to reach out to us, and we are more than happy and honored to help. Here at Ayuda, it honors us to assist our veterans after everything they've sacrificed for our country.
My name is Gustavo Alarcon. I was in the Navy for about 14 years. I served on ships and mostly with the Marine Corps. I found Ayuda through actual websites for veterans. I was looking for someone to help me, finish my house. I was recently diagnosed as 100%. I had problems with my back and other problems through the VA. I was able to contact Ayuda, and they were able to have one of the programs for veterans, HEROES program, that helped redo your home and helped you with a bunch of stuff to make it easier and accessible for your home. Juan Garcia was the one that contacted me after completing the project of everything they were able to help me with. I still need a couple more things, but I'm looking to wait until I understand that I can apply again to get some of the other things that they couldn't get finished, which was just the air conditioning for my son's room. As far as advising anybody about Ayuda, they are awesome. There's many programs for them. For me, it was the veteran programs which I found, which helped tremendously, especially if you're feeling stuck or anything. It's a simple process, and I wish more people would know about it, especially veterans. We kind of seem pretty macho and proud. We don't want or need help. We can do it ourselves. But sometimes, either financially, which was my problem because I couldn't work anymore, they were able to help me and help finish some of the things that I couldn't finish on my own.
Hi, so this is how we do it at Ayuda. We like to leverage funds to help our families. The Garcia family, we first helped them through the Amy Young Barrier Removal Program, giving them up to $22,000 for ADA modifications, for accessibility modifications in their home. Then, after that, with the help of HACK and the Home Depot Foundation, we give them another $3,000 for a few more modifications. And now, coming up, through the HUD older adult program, we're gonna give them another $5,000 up to $5,000 to do a few more modifications. Now, if they had applied in the time that Ayuda had the veterans through the TVC Heroes program, we could even give them another $20,000 for a few more modifications, totaling in a possible close to $50,000 in modifications for their home. Unfortunately, they didn't get the TVC one, but without those 20, you're looking at close to $30,000 in modifications of leverage programs, funding to help one single family through Ayuda.
Bueno, aquí la familia García de Tornillo, Texas es un ejemplo de cómo nosotros en la organización Ayuda hemos estado adquiriendo asistencia no solo de una fuente de recursos, sino de varias. La familia García recibió asistencia del programa Amy Young Barrier Removal Program, una cantidad de $20,000. Adicionalmente, gracias al Home Depot Foundation, se les pudo también dar adicional a esos $20,000 otros $3,500. Y ahora me comunica la familia García que están a punto también de recibir otra asistencia por medio del departamento de HUD, que es el Older Adults Home Modification Program, donde ellos van a recibir $5,000, donde aparte también de las renovaciones y accesibilidad que le dimos a esta casa, van a recibir otros $5,000 para ayudarlos a cualquier tipo de movilidad que ha pasado después de los años que venimos la primera vez, ¿no? Ellos pueden recibir hasta una lavadora, una secadora, todo esto para mejorarle la movilidad a la familia García.
It was such an honor to be able to bring leaders from the USDA to visit Ayuda, to hear firsthand from mostly women who are impacted by the circumstances that they live in colonias here in El Paso County. It was wonderful also to have County Commissioner Ileana Holguin so that the county was represented at the table. The funds that are coming to Ayuda through the USDA and through the state are really important. They can change lives. These investments, these resources, they can improve families' lives, they can uplift families and give them a better future. And so it's important for the administration to see firsthand. I'm so grateful to President Biden and to my colleagues who voted in favor of the American Rescue Plan funding, because that funding is going to help ensure that more families are helped and that more of the community can be uplifted and provided a pathway to the middle class. And nothing makes more of an impact than seeing all of this firsthand and hearing all of it firsthand. You know, it's one thing to be in Washington, D.C., fighting for money for organizations like Ayuda and families like these, but it's another thing to hear their stories about their struggles, about everything they have to go through, everything they have to worry about just to live day to day. And these are incredible families, amazing women with so much talent and heart, with so much to offer our country and our community. They just need a little ayuda.
Hi, my name is Ileana Holguin, and I am the El Paso County Commissioner for Precinct 3, which includes Far East El Paso and the Mission Valley. Much of my area consists of unincorporated parts of El Paso County. And within these unincorporated areas of the county, we have what are called colonias, which are neighborhoods that unfortunately don't have much of the infrastructure that you find in neighborhoods located within a city. Many of them don't have water, wastewater, adequate roads. And so that's why organizations such as AYUDA are so important. AYUDA helps the county reach these areas, the unincorporated areas, where we know that there is still so much need. I've seen firsthand the life-changing work that AYUDA does for our colonias residents here in El Paso County. Everything from helping the neighborhoods fight for water and wastewater infrastructure to working with promotoras that go out into the communities to provide information about health resources, to helping distribute funds on behalf of the county for rental assistance and on behalf of the state for mortgage assistance, because we know that so many of our community members are still suffering economically from the effects of the pandemic. Organizations such as AYUDA are so important because they are located within the communities. They know the members of the communities that we're trying to serve. And the community members know that they can trust AYUDA when they need information about how to apply for certain programs, or whether they're even eligible, or whether even programs exist to help. They know that they can go to AYUDA, and they know that AYUDA is there to help them.